And despite a new report revealing an unusual spike in opioid overdoses across Knox County, more lives are being saved. Here's Gwendolyn Ducree.
The news was like a punch in the gut.
It felt like we need to work harder.
In just 2 days, there were 32 reported overdoses this week alone, according to the Knox County Health Department. Behind each case is a person, a loved one, sometimes even a mother, like Jessica Stanley, who was once in that number.
I don't think people understand the lengths that we are willing to go through and the things that we are willing to put in our body to make it stop.
It took Stanley having to plan her own funeral to start recovery. 6 years later, she says she's grateful she stopped when she did, as today's drug use is like a whole new world.
You didn't go everywhere, and any substance that you purchased, you didn't not know what you were buying.
Erin Read with the health department says these non-fatal overdoses were related to heroin, though it's suspected that fentanyl was involved in nearly half of the cases. Fentanyl can be deadly as it's a synthetic opiate, 50 to 100 times stronger than morphine.
Opioids depress the central nervous system. They make your breathing slower, and this is usually what results in an overdose that can be reversed using naloxone, assuming that naloxone gets there in time. Overdoses are already at epidemic levels. Our rates in Knox County are much, much higher than most other counties in the U.S.
Stanley has made it her life's mission to save lives, even spent more than a year pushing to make sure Knoxville police officers take prevention training.
So that's been like a beautiful experience for me. So when we first started trying to really work with law enforcement, it was a heavy resistance. We had a big pushback. And I don't know exactly what that comes from, but what I do know is looking at it now, we have a really beautiful relationship.
Proving how community work can save lives, even if it's just getting the news out.
After this alert got sent out, we've had so many calls and messages and emails because now people are more aware.
In Knox County, Gwendolyn Ducree, WVLT.